we were looking into like basics of PyTorch last week, and we are going to finish that lecture today. And after the lecture today, I think you will have a good understanding of what CNNs are. And we have almost covered like most of the basics in classical computer vision as well. Now we will look into like different problems, different tasks we see like in computer vision. And what we are going to do is we are going to solve that particular problem using both classical approach as well as deep learning approach. All right. And so being said that, now is the good time to also start thinking about what course project you are going to do. And I know like some of you have already started, and that's really impressive. But for rest of you, I think we have a project list on the web course, and we are going to update that list, I think, sometime this week. But most of the projects will be there, which are there in the list at this time. We will add some more projects. And of course, you can propose your own project if you have like any good ideas. So the idea is like if you start thinking now, then you will have sufficient time to finish those projects in time. So you'll have enough time to do the coding, run the experiments, and write your reports. And these projects will be due like by end of this course. I think it's first week of December or something like that. So whenever this course is ending. All right, so that's one thing. The other thing is in the next lecture, we are going to see like how we can implement these networks, like a hands-on experience. So whatever we have learned so far in CNNs and the training which we are going to see today, we will do like the full practical maybe later today if we finish early, otherwise like on Thursday. And one more update is we are also going to release a programming assignment first. And I think it will be sometime this week, maybe tomorrow or day after that. And it will be due in like 10 to 12 days. And I think that that will be enough for you to finish that. And so that will be your first programming assignment. Then before releasing the second programming assignment, we are also going to do a bonus programming assignment. And that's for like, there are some students who are not able to attend the live lectures. So they are just watching the videos offline. So drawback is like they can't participate in the bonus, the quiz questions we have, the pop quizzes, right? So some of them had concern like they also want to participate, but they can't. So therefore we will have like a bonus programming assignment, and all of you are also like, I think allowed to submit that bonus round as well. So, so before we begin, any questions, any general comments we have from like previous lectures or anything else regarding the course? Any feedback you have or any issues like you are facing in this course, and is there something like which you would like to change? Okay, so there is a question from Carlos. He's saying that how will the pop quiz questions be represented in our grade? Will they be a separate assignment? So if you remember, like I made an announcement for this, and so one pop quiz is like I think equivalent to half of your homework assignment, right? So if you have 10 marks for your homework assignment, then one pop quiz will give you like 5 marks. And then you also have the grading policy where you know like how much percentage of the total grade goes to like your homework assignments. So then you can do the math. I mean, it will be relative. So whatever marks you obtain like using pop quizzes, they will be directly add like on top of whatever scores you have from all the other assignments, the programming assignments, the homework assignments. So that answered your question, Carlos? Okay, great. So there is, I think, another question from Tushar. We will be able to cover for our MCQ loss through bonus programming assignment. So what's this MCQ? Multiple choice question or?
Yeah, so the marks lost in multiple choice questions.
Right. So as I said, like whatever score you obtain using your regular homework assignments, programming assignment, your course project, these marks which you will get using by doing pop quizzes, they will be just directly added to that, to those marks. Okay. Uh, Another question from Jewel. I know sometimes I'm not able to attend live, so thank you for the bonus 10. Okay, so yeah, that's great. You liked it. Okay, so I have another quick question, and feel free to like answer that. So, what do you think about like the pace of this course? Is it going like too slow or is it going too fast? Because we still have like a lot of material to cover, so we need to do some catching up. So, what do you think so far? I hope like we were in a classroom, but so if some of you feel like it's going too slow or it's going too fast, just give us the feedback, let us know, and I think we will make the adjustments accordingly. Okay, because we want like everyone, each one of you to understand like what we are trying to learn here. Okay, so most of you are saying it's fine. So you can just put your feedback in here, and after the class, I think we will go through your comments, and we'll try to address those.